Timmy Trembled. His name is Timmy and he's a Tremblehead, which is also his last name. Ha ha. He has a hat and a overbite. Look out for his teeth, cause they sure can bite. Other than biting, he can barely fight. And he is very short on height. But it's a Timmy Trembled show.
The Kitty Kid Show, the show that's totally for kids. Chainsaw bloody violence. Hi guys, check out my new chainsaw.
Well, that's enough TV for now. Oh no, I have the hiccups.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'll never get rid of my hiccups. Wait, aren't hiccups contagious?
The Kitty Kid Show, the show that's totally for kids. Fighting is fun!